Tam ini tamu ni umiri kwa nyunyu ni kumina chimo kida worini. Tami enoni ini winini.
I have heard what you have said very carefully, and I have two questions for you. The first question is, what drove you to pull a weapon and point it at Akela? What really drove you?
To be honest, I would be lying to you if I told you that I have fully comprehended the tragedy of that fateful day.
Nimelorada Papa Wachika Maleng, Nikombedi Pilne, and Yang Matut, no, Mawa Gin Mutimeni or Time, Karmotimeni.
The stupidity, the foolishness, the evil that I exhibited on that day is not something that I knew was in me, but now I recognize that
Time Chiaro Motimeni and Ane, Time Chod Chewing Motimeni and Ane, and Becca can obey any Timinity comment.
now I recognize that within me, deep within me, there is evil that I did not know about. It's
Nikombedi,
foolishness that I did not know about.
Nimune, Kanangage, Chido a year, ni Kiramadano, Goro, Chol Chewing, Kiniga, Chikoma.
And I don't think I'll fully comprehend ever the magnitude of what is inside me. And that's the reason that I am remorseful, that I am sorry. And that's the reason that I ask for your forgiveness. I ask for your understanding and for time, for this healing process to begin, and for time for me to comprehend the magnitude of the tragedy.
Ni Goro, Machadana Dano, Anpa Neo, Nitim Char Makitman, Ramatimane.
If I
The
will ever
Meno, yeah, where Obilka and Yimu, a town chair, a quiet figure,